Increasing Diversity and Online Accessibility for the Association of Environmental Studies and Sciences by Sophie Lawton, Bailey Mullins, and Andromede Uwase. Client, Valerie Banchbach. Association of Environmental Studies and Sciences, abbreviated to AESS, pronounced as ACE, is an organization that encourages networking and collaboration between professionals in the diverse field of environmental studies and sciences. Their motto is Provide Identity, Collective Voice, and Continuing Education for individuals in higher education engaged in environmental research, teaching, problem solving, and service to society. They work with university faculty and professors as well as graduate students. ACE also collaborates with community leaders and environmental activists. While ACE offers many benefits to the environmental studies community, there are some obstacles that the organization currently faces. Number one is that ACE is lacking in diversity among members. Their members tend to come from one type of demographic. So ACE hopes to invite a more diverse community into the organization. On top of that, there is a general decrease in new membership for the organization as a whole. ACE also hopes to update their diversity and inclusion webpage as it is very out of date. Our team's general goals is to assist ACE in increasing the diversity and racial justice, collaborate with other groups that are more diverse, and update the diversity and inclusion website. Our objectives in order to accomplish these goals are to collaborate with the Black Doctoral Network, abbreviated to BDN, and attend their events to evaluate if the two organizations would be able to benefit one another. If they end up being compatible, then we will plan future events between ACE and BDN. Our team's final objective is to work with ACE, the ACE web designer, in order to update the diversity and inclusion website. To help the Association for Environmental Studies and Sciences increase their diversity and racial justice, our group researched ways the organizations have successfully incorporated their inclusivity. We have researched the best groups that would help benefit bringing education on inclusivity and bringing more diverse members to the Association for Environmental Studies and Sciences. Together with ACE, President Valerie Banchbach, we decided to focus on collaborating with the Black Doctoral Network. The Black Doctoral Network is a group that provides opportunities for collaboration, support, and resource sharing, distributing the isolation, division, and siloing of our collective brilliance. Also, to help amplify the quality of the ACE website, we work closely with the Managing Director, Carolyn Anthon, create easy, editable diversity, equity, and inclusion for constant updating.
To study more about ways to approach the AC collaboration with BDN, we were able to attend the Black Doctoral Career Fair and annual national conference, which helped us to further understand about diversity and develop the recommendation to AC for the future use. The team also collaborated with Managing Director of AC, Caroline Anthony, and give the input to diversity, equity, and inclusion website page for AC. By reporting our findings from the Black Doctoral Network to AC, as a group, we accomplished our goal of increasing diversity of the organization because we were able to find a great way for AC to recruit and meet people of color. Working with the Black Doctoral Network is also a great way for the AC to collaborate with other more diverse groups and organizations. For our website updating goals, we were able to design and deliver the diversity, equity, and inclusion page for AC, which you go to their website. After working on this project, our group recommendation that Association for the Environmental Studies and Sciences stays in close collaboration with the Black Doctoral Network. Working with BDN can help increase the inclusivity that Association for Environmental Studies and Science is lacking right now. From the connection with Black Doctoral Network, the Association of Environmental Studies and Science can also try to emulate their online meeting events to spread the word about their group, increase diverse membership and inclusion for all. The AAC is currently upgrading their online presence. They are creating a more accessible website for all users, creating an appealing site for all ages and backgrounds. We also recommend that as their website is growing, to also grow their social media presence to ensure that they are reaching all demographics. Our group wishes that we could have had more time working closely with ACE. We think that the organization is moving into a really positive path. We think that AC would have a really influential future, attending more online virtual events to spread their name to all demographics, and even recommend AC to hold their online events, maybe event having speakers members to join who are experts in the diversification, equity, and inclusion. We also think that it would be really important for AC to join and have active social media sites on things like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, where they can gather new members, have their names showcased, and share the work that they are accomplishing. Our group worked with Valerie every Wednesday since this project started. We are grateful for all her recommendations she has made for us, all of her ideas and information that she shared with us. Valerie was so eager to hear all of our ideas and really allowed us to have a lot of more creative freedom with this project. Karen Anthony worked with us toward the end of our project on our webpage that we designed for the AC website. Karen offered us much information, advice, and freedom as well. We really enjoyed being able to work so closely with both of them.